Hi gang, Vince Welch, Vince's Wood and Wonders. Thanks so much for stopping in. Thought I would take a few moments and share with you just how easy it is to put together the Sanding Wonder tool. You know, whether you've already purchased the tool or you have been thinking about purchasing the tool, in this quick little video I'm going to show you how easy it is to put the tool together and also how to change out some parts once you have it put together. So let's get to it. Okay, so once you get your Sanding Wonder, like I mentioned, you're going to have two packages. The one package is going to have the bar, and the second package is going to have these components here. You have two set screws, two bars, a head, and an adapter mechanism here. So to first start, let's start with the bent bar. And we're going to do this. Usually I will have this bent bar installed into your head mechanism here. But for this example, let's go ahead. You'll see that the bent bar actually has a flat here. And that meets up with the set screws. Take your smallest of Allen wrenches, snug that guy up. There you go. It's just that simple. Take the set screw, and you'll see that on here you also have a flat, and that gets to be meshed up with the two set screws on your head adapter. Snug those guys up right there, and that's it. Now your head mechanism is attached to the bar. From here, this is where people get a little bit confused. What you want to do is take your backup pad and insert it up against the collar, not on this back side. So what I mean by that is to take the backup pad and install it like that, to where the backup pad meets up against the collar. And from there, you have two set screws on the collar. Just snug up the set screw that holds the backup pad, and away you go. Now your Sanding Wonder is ready to use. So one more adjustment in regards to, or one more option in addition to using the bent bar, and that is using this straight bar. So let's see what that looks like real quick. And the adjustment to switch them out is very, very simple. Simply loosen up the two set screws on your head adjustment mechanism and remove that. Remove the two set screws holding the bar. Slide the bar out. Again, putting the bar in that has the flat. Adjust the two set screws, snug them up, and you don't have to get crazy strong-armed with this. Again, draw out the set screws just a little bit more. And they are in place here. Snug these guys up. And now you're using your Sanding Wonder with the straight bar. Keeping in mind that your sanding head up top here is completely versatile. You can change it to any angle that you want, depending on the project and the angle in which you need to sand with. So that's how you put together the head portion of the Sanding Wonder. Outside of that, you have a couple of options down with your handle. That is, if you want to have a double-handled unit, fantastic. If you want to extend the bar in that you need a little more leverage, fantastic. Just extend it out. It draws out 21 inches. If by chance you want just a single-handled unit up here, well, that's easy enough as well. Just loosen those 2 set screws, remove the bar, and now you have a single-handled unit to sand with. So it's pretty doggone simple. This is the Sanding Wonder. And if you haven't already got one and you're thinking about it, give me a call if you have any questions. Phone number is 877-284-8969, and I can also be reached at vinceswoodandwonders.com or vince@vinceswoodandwonders.com. Thanks so much for stopping in, and I'll talk with you soon.